Roosters are bold, charismatic, and full of surprises. Here are some fun facts about these fascinating birds. Natural alarm clocks. Roosters don't just crow at dawn. They can crow any time of the day to assert dominance or communicate with their flock. Built-in Sun Detector. Their internal body clock helps them sense daylight changes, making them reliable wake-up calls. Protectors of the co-op. Roosters are fearless guardians, often challenging much larger animals to protect their hens. Fancy footwork. They perform elaborate dances, called tidbitting, to impress hens, showing off by pecking food and moving rhythmically. They have favorite hens. Roosters may show preference for certain hens and give them extra attention. Sharp spurs for defense. Roosters have pointed spurs on their legs, used for fighting off rivals or predators. Their crow is loud. A rooster's crow can reach over 100 decibels, which is as loud as a chainsaw. They can recognize faces. Studies suggest chickens, including roosters, can remember and recognize familiar faces, both human and animal. Different crows for different meanings. Roosters have different crowing sounds for warnings, victory, or just showing off. Symbol of strength and luck. In many cultures, roosters symbolize bravery, vigilance, and even good fortune. Roosters aren't just farm birds, they're full of personality, attitude, and impressive skills.